Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. Look, I don't know what the fuck I did that. Hey, man, what's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Come on, say it with me. XRO. And today, man, I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. Now, first things first, um, I have took a L. I took, I think, 2 L's earlier. We can get into that later. But as of right now, I just want to get my intro out the way and get everything I want to say. I'll go over the fuck already. Damn. I'll go over the L's at the end of the video. But as of right now, we just finna hop into this trade and I'm gonna show y'all what's going on, what I'm looking at, and why I'm in this trade. So man, let's see, let me get everything marked up, man. What's good with y'all though, man? Hope y'all having a good day, great night. I got in on this candle right here, so my stop loss will be right below this candle. This is a 3-minute time frame entry, by the way. So just in case anybody wanted to know, this is a little yeah. You know what I mean? A little yeah. So 1 to 2 right there. And yeah, so hey man, we just hopping on the chart, seeing if we can get a win today. You know how I go. Today's Friday, so if we can get a nice little win today, that'd be amazing. But if not, then that would be tough. Not gonna lie. So yeah, man. Yeah. First things first. I did finally release the course. The little YouTube. It's like a little mini course, basically just breaking down just how I trade over, just overall, and just, hey, if you like I say, I'm not finna be promoting this course like hella, or just, I wasn't really gonna make a video just strictly on just, hey guys, I dropped the course, make sure you go cop it if you want a Lamborghini or i8. I'm not gonna, no, I don't, because I don't even fucking have that shit. I'm not there yet, bro. Like, I'm chilling right now. You know what I'm saying? If you like the way I trade, if you're interested in the way I trade, then hey, if you want to go copy, hey, that's up to you. But if you don't, bro, I'm cool with it, bro. Like, it's no smoke, it's no pressure. I'm not finna press you or try to beat you up or nothing, bro. Like, it is what it is. You feel me? Like, you don't gotta grab it. But if you are interested, link in the description down below. If you ain't joined the free Discord, get the fuck in there. Cause what the fuck are you doing? Like, on some real shit. Why the fuck you ain't in there, bro? Like, you a trader, right? Honestly, from what I've been hearing, is if you in the Discord, it could be. It's not guaranteed, but it could be a 5% chance that you might hit your take profit. A +5 chance that you gonna hit take profit. So look, it's not guaranteed, but that's just what I heard. You know what I'm saying? The little birds across the street, the little pigeons on crack, they've been talking to me. Shit, I ain't on drugs, but they've been talking to me. But yeah, man, if you want to follow me on IG, make sure you follow me on IG, METSRO. You know what I'm saying? Link in the description down below. Yeah, but yeah. If it is hopping this trade breakdown, man, hopefully we can hit TP. That'd be nice. We're going for the 1 to 2 as usual. So, first things first, man. You know what I'm saying? We are in an uptrend, right? Uptrend. We are above the SMA on all time frames, as you can see. Hopefully you can see. You know what I'm saying? If you can't see, it's all good, bro. I'm gonna confirm it for you. You know what I'm saying? Just put your hand on the screen and just feel the screen. I got you, bro. Real talk. Trust me. Just cause you blind, I got you, bro. Who you know in the trading community really who do shit like this? Like, I got you, bro. I got you. Yeah, I'm saying we above SML all time frame. So I was like, you know what? GJ was looking real bullish today. And I was like, damn. Like, I was thinking like, damn, man, am I even gonna get an entry today? So I found this 3-minute entry right here, and it was just, it's looking beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say it was a beautiful trade until we can hit our take profit. And until that come, somebody in the Discord literally that's crazy as fuck. Somebody in Discord just said, I know you catch it. I know you catching this move. But hey man, you right, goddammit. We in this move, man. So hey, make sure you go join the Discord, man. It's free. It's lit as fuck, yo. You know what I mean? It's lit as hell. So come on, man. Just hop up in there. It's lit. Just full of traders who want to trade. You know what I'm saying? You know, all that, man. We just vibing in there. You know, we just trying to become profitable. That's really all it is. You know, whether if you're profitable, unprofitable, bro. But look, we gonna help you. Like, no matter who you is, we gonna help you. So, yeah, man, just hop in the Discord, bro. Okay. But yeah, man. This week is Friday. This week has been really crazy. I'm not gonna cap it to you. It's just been really, 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 really crazy. And shit, I don't know. This week's just, it's been one of them weeks. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie. I don't like that zone. Yeah, I don't like this zone right here. I ain't gonna lie. I want to see if we could push up, continue to push up a little bit. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Do we hit TP yet? Oh no, we didn't. No sir, not yet. No. Hey GJ, look, you know what I'm saying? Hey GJ, fuck with a nigga. I mean, fuck with a nigga, GJ. Come on, GJ, you looking so good today. I ain't gonna lie. You got your sundress on. Oh, hey, ooh, hit a little spin for me. Oh, okay. Look at GJ, man. Look at GJ. Look at GJ's looking so beautiful, man. You know what I'm saying? GJ. 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 I said we was right there, the TP gang. We was right there though. Oh, DJ. Hey, you still right there though, GJ. You know what I mean? It ain't nothing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It ain't nothing. Come on. Tryna. Huh. Come on. Come on, GJ. Come on now. Come on, GJ. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. Right now, we're looking at GJ in its natural habitat. You know, you don't want to scare it. You know what I'm saying? You just want to observe it. Just let it do what it do. It's a little nervous right now, so just be quiet. You know, GJ, she's a little nervous right now, so you know she's a little overwhelmed. Just a little bit overwhelmed right now, so you know he just gotta. Just trust me, I know what I'm doing. Man, stop fucking smacking, bro. Damn. Shit. Trying to hit TP over there smacking on chips. We trying to watch a wild specimen. God damn it. But no, I'm just bullshitting with y'all, man. Can we break buttons? No cap. 1 to 2, we right there, gang. I ain't gonna lie. 1 to 2 thing. 1 to 2, gang. I ain't gonna lie. We're right there. Right there. Come on. Come on. Come on. I ain't gonna lie. If this shit start melting, I promise you, the market's behind, bro. The market's looking at me, bro. You know what? Fuck the market, bro. We right there. They can suck my dick. I'm out that bitch. I'm out that bitch. No. I had to make sure the market went behind me and none of that shit, bro. I don't know. They been telling you, bro. They got their eyes on me. But we damn near. Oh shit, 2.1. I'm tripping. Fuck. All right, now come on now. Oh, wait a minute. I see an error in my plan. Hold on. Oh yeah. What is this? Oh yeah. Hold on. TP did get hit. God damn, I had my stop loss in the wrong place. Shit. My bad. But hey man, that was a nice little. That was a fire ass 3-minute trade. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know how much that shit was. But hey man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, like look, bro. Sometimes like you just gotta really just sit back and just observe GJ for what it's doing. Like real shit. So I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna break this trade down again for the ones who who might have just been forgetful of some shit. I got you, bro. You don't even gotta rewind it. Don't rewind it. I got you. So, like I said, on all time frames, we were above the SMA. The 3-minute demand was just hitting beautifully. I didn't get in on this candlestick right here because I was just like, let me just make sure it's gonna hold up. You know what I'm saying? The first red candlestick tapped the zone. Okay, I was like, all right, just doing a little something. Then we got a bullish candle. I was like, okay. I mean, with a little wick underneath, we kind of doing something. And then that third candle, I had to enter off that, bro. So it was really, I was barely. No, I'm not gonna lie. I was in drawdown a little bit on this one, cause I think I got in just a little bit aggressive, just on one position, and then yeah. So honestly, man, this shit. I don't know what to say. Like on 5 minutes, you might have been like, yo, why the fuck did you take this? But hey, let me tell you something. Drop down to that 3-minute. What the fuck do you see? Charts? A graph? Allow me to explain. Dead ass. But yeah, man, just a simple demand setup on GJ today. Just beautiful. Today was a losing day for me, but not anymore. So hey, man, shouts out to God. Shouts out to the universe. Y'all came through. I'm glad to be on the charts. Now I have to go get a fucking haircut. It's 9:13. Gotta get a haircut at 10. It's been like a whole month, so man, if I ain't gonna lie, if I would've lost this trade, I wouldn't be able to pay my bills. Probably had to sell my YouTube channel, all that shit. But hey, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. What else you want me to say, bro? I don't really got shit else to say. You've been watching me sitting here act like a crackhead for like, I don't know how much minutes. But, bro, honestly, I think I gave you enough crackhead trader today, bro. Real shit. So, look, bro. Just do me a favor. Click full screen. You know what I'm saying? If you're on phone, you should be like these right now, right? Click the like button. If you ain't subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you ain't comment, honestly, if you don't want to comment, don't comment, bro. But if you gonna comment something, comment your social security number along with your bank info and your name, your full name, and maybe even your parents' name. I'm just bullshitting. But hey, man, I'm just bullshitting. Don't use this record against me. I'm not a scammer. I don't scam. Leave me alone, please. I'm sorry. But yeah, man, hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm done being a crackhead.